Thank you for joining me. This is Esther from Stampin' Star Creations. I'm going to show you some customer cards that I've made using this cute stamp sets. So I'm using Label Me Bold and using the stamp at the bottom there for the grass, and this very cute little Ladybug stamp set that's yours for free with a £150 order, and the Thoughtful Blooms stamp set which is yours for free with a £45 order, and the matching punch which is yours for free with a £90 order. So I'm going in with the black Memento ink and using the little Ladybug, or as we say in the UK, Ladybird, with the a flower in the hand. I'm leaving a gap at the top of the circle punch so that I've got a space to put the flowers later. So that's a 1 3/4 inch circle punch. Using real red to colour in my Ladybug, and then going in with light shaded spruce to colour in the flower, as it was the closest match I could find to Coastal Cabana. I decided to colour his body in some of the stripes as he looked a little bit, I don't know, a little bit bland, a little bit naked, so I gave him a little stripy suit. Going in with what I thought was my sponge for Coastal Cabana, and soon realised it was coming out rather dark. I used the wrong sponge, so I just had to disguise it by going over it in the lighter sponge. I've gone ahead and set up my Stamparatus because I'm going to be doing more than one of these cards, and although I'm going to show you one at the moment, I've layered up my cards underneath. So using Granny Apple Green to create a grassy look, black Memento ink to stamp the tiny little ladybirds. That's my cute, they're so cute, the cutest ones in the set I reckon. And then I'm using real red to stamp the sentiment thank you from the Ladybug stamp set. So this is great for when you want to just knock out a few cards. It's already in position for you, and that's where the Ladybug's going to sit. So I've just piled the other cards underneath, and I've chosen a few of the lighter shades, so light real red, light pumpkin pie. I've gone for the dark mango melody and light daffodil delight to colour in the little tiny ladybugs. By cutting strips of card like this, I can just run it along and punch out a load of flowers in one go. And just by turning the punch, sometimes you can squeeze in an extra one at the end there. So I lay these out all ready to stamp in their centres. So I'm using one of the flowers from the Thoughtful Bloom stamp set to put some centres in them. After I've done all the stamping, I'm just using the lid of my multi-purpose glue to push it into my piercing mat, and this just helps to give them a bit of shape and dimension. I place them down where I want them to go, and then bringing in this cute little dotty stamp, I'm just going to put them roughly where the flowers are going to go. Popping up my Ladybug on dimensionals even, and then just popping down the flowers where the spots were. And using my multi-purpose liquid glue to mount that onto some matching Coastal Cabana card. There, quick and easy. I hope you enjoyed today's cards, and I hope my customers like them too. So do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget you can get some of these items for free. Just go ahead and shop at stampinstarcreations.co.uk. Do let me know if you need a catalogue or want to request one. Subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and do comment below. I hope you have a really great day wherever you're watching from. Thank you. Bye bye.